Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Gatie is here with us. We had him before many times, and he's worth it because he made great songs. Like My World, great song from our Alligator. Alright, so let's start with this one, and it goes pretty much in the same fashion as many other songs. We have one chord progression, and we can choose to play a simple melody and a strumming, go back and forth with it. But first, we need to set our capo here on the 3rd fret to get the best, easiest chords possible for this one and to get the high notes we need. So, capo on 3rd, and the chord progression will be A sharp sus2, then D minor, then F, and then C. So let's start with A sharp chord here. Alright, so that's a bar here on the 1st fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom up like this. That's where you put a bar on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. Alright, the next chord will be D minor, so that's open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. 3rd chord F, so again a bar here on the 1st fret, this time all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have the final chord C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so A sharp, D minor, F, and C. Now first, the melody goes like this for A sharp. So you just go down the road here, and that's the pattern for all these chords. So with A sharp, it will be 1st on A, then 3rd on D, 3rd on G, 3rd on B, and 1st on E. Alright, so just to be clear here, again, 1st A, 3rd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And nothing else. Alright, next chord will be D minor. And here we just play from the D string and down. So, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E from the chord. The F will be like this. So I believe it's the easiest way here is to actually grab the chord as it is, and then you're going to play 1st on E, 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 1st on E. You get that from the bar if you hold the chord as it is. Alright, and the final C here will be from the chord again, 3rd A, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so there you have the melody. It goes like this. You can hit a clap after each chord. And so on. Or you can choose to play with strumming. And you will play one strumming for all these chords in the same way. So A sharp will be the 1st chord. One round will sound like this. Right? So it's down, up, and then clap, up, down, up. So imagine the clap is a down, and then it will be just for down up. So down up, clap, down up. Alright, so you're gonna play one strumming round per chord, and with the chord progression it will sound like this. That's it. it. You can go back and forth with this melody or strumming, and that's great. Gatie, he makes some great songs, very playable. So good luck with this one, guys. Light my world, that's what you do. So thank you for that, and play tuned.